Most household appliances produced overseas break very easily when used in our country. This also concerns the ones produced by the ubiquitous Asian manufacturers, who have bought first-grade licenses for making electronics in mass demand. Many customers in Russia have already experienced these problems. Most likely this happens not just because the sensitive electronic systems cannot endure network overloads that are so common here, since most manufacturers pay a lot of attention to the quality and durability of their products. It is possible that the problems appear because the devices stay turned on for longer periods than they are designed to endure. Often state-of-the-art technology is handled without proper care either. But let's not talk about all the negative sides of modern electronics. In any case, most electronic devices, especially those manufactured in Europe, work just fine till the end of their warranty life. A DVD player. This modern device for playing DVDs has brought so much happiness into our comfortable and cozy homes. Every day we spend our time in front of the screen, watching and discovering the boundless, unexplainable and interesting worlds. Sometimes what we watch is not suitable for our children, and we hurry to make them go to their bedrooms. However, electronics break quite often, even if treated with special care. Let's look closer at some of the most common reasons why our DVD players break. The first one is voltage jumps and swings in the electricity network. The power supply starts malfunctioning. There is some sort of protection against excess voltage in it. The voltage-controlled resistor can save the whole device if it manages to. The preventer is usually the last thing to burn out. Its turn comes when certain components in the circuit have already burned. These are the filter, field assembly, and voltage reference diodes. All of these cost little and can be easily fixed. You can take it to a repair shop or fix it yourself if you know how to do it. The second reason is voltage separation of the source. Here we need to compare the cost of the device with the cost of repairing it. Because of the part that had burned out, there is usually no sense in fixing it. Broken optics is the third and most common reason. If the device was expensive, there might be a point in repairing it, but if it was cheap, there is no sense in it doing anything. So what's the conclusion? A DVD player is the disposable type of electronics, and this is often reflected in its price, though there are expensive players with good packaging, well-assembled twin laser heads, processing units, and other parts. My conclusion will be as follows. If you buy a DVD player, don't try to spare it. Use it. Let it take care of your health. You cannot predict what will break and when it will happen. And if something does break, don't throw it right away. Take a look inside. Some things can be used in your household. For example, the power supply, working with several voltages. It's not very powerful, but usable. You can use the power mechanism with motors that hardly ever break. And the box for all sorts of stuff. So you see that there is so much you can do with modern digital technology.